Hello everyone. Today we'll perform one more experiment which is related to DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. As the name itself suggests, DHT means digital humidity and temperature sensor. This is the sensor, how it looks like. We have three pins here. One is VCC, one is data, and ground pin. VCC is connected to VC plus 5 volts of Arduino board. Ground is connected to ground of Arduino board, and data. This is the output pin which we need to connect to any of the digital input pins of Arduino. And about the program, this is library based program. So you need to go to sketch, include library, and manage libraries. Okay. Once the library manager is open, we have to write search for DHT11. We need to search for DHT11. All right. So we will get this DHT sensor library by Adafruit. Let me install this. So we can click on install DHT sensor library only. Then close, and let me close this, and then we'll reopen this Arduino. Okay, once you open the Arduino IDE software, after this you can see that that library is being installed here, DHT sensor library. So you need to go to files and then examples, and in the bottom you will be getting DHT sensor library. So there you have to click this DHT tester. So the program is available now. Only thing is what we are doing here, we are uncommenting this DHT11 because we are using DHT11 sensor, and then we are commenting this DHT22. So there are three normally sensors are there: DHT11, DHT22, 21. So in our context, we are using DHT11. Therefore, I'm uncommenting this. So remaining program remains same. I have used the same pin, DHT pin 2. Remaining program remains the same here. You can see this is the initialization of a serial port, and we have included the DHT library. And here is where we read the humidity value, temperature, as well as temperature in terms of Fahrenheit, right? And through this, we are reading the heat index, and then we are printing all the values, humidity, temperature index in Celsius as well as in Fahrenheit. This is the program. So if I upload this, so once the upload is complete, we'll open this serial monitor to check for the readings. All right. So these are the values we are getting: humidity, temperature, and heat index. And we should also know that this particular sensor is not a waterproof. All right. So simple, a normal room temperature, room humidity, whatever is there, that is read by this sensor. For a waterproof sensor, we have different sensors, which we are not using. We are using this one currently, DHT11 sensor, which is not a waterproof sensor.